Kí gbogbo àwa ọmọ Yorùbá pátápátá.
I greet all Yoruba people.
Nítorí pé
because
ọmọ Yorùbá lèmi.
I am also a Yoruba indigene.
Ní ìlú tá ti bí mi lọ́mọ.
And in my town where I was born,
Kí tó gba iṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
before I took up the work of
Mo
God,
ti joyè.
I was a chief.
Mo ti wọ ìjàmà.
I was part of the Jamas.
À ń pè ìjàmà náà ní ìjàmà Ifẹ̀.
That is the Jama Ife.
So mo ní ẹ̀tọ́ láti dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá.
I have the right to talk about the ongoings in Yoruba land.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
As a man of God,
Mo ti joyè.
I was a chief
Kí Kristi tó pè mí.
before Christ called me.
Kí tó di pé mò ń dá ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì lẹ̀
Before I
káàkiri.
started founding church
So
all
mo mọ
around.
nǹkan tá à ń pè ní oyè.
So I know what they call chieftaincy.
Oyè tí mo dè jẹ́ ó wá láti ìlú Ifẹ̀.
And the chieftaincy title that I was honored with came
So
from
gbogbo ẹ̀yin
Ife.
oní Kírísítẹ́nì pátápátá.
All Christians that are
Ẹ
Yorubas,
dá sí ọ̀rọ̀
please, you have to talk about this.
Ọọ̀ni Ifẹ̀
The Ọọ̀ni
àtàláàfin.
of Ife and the Aláàfin,
Kọ́ má ba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ká má bàjẹ́.
so that we don't spoil the Yoruba race.
Gbogbo
Yoruba tribe.
alámọ̀bí tá ti wá.
We all know where we came
Gbogbo
from.
alámọ̀bí tí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ti wá.
We know the origin of Yoruba kingdom.
Eléyìí ò ń ṣe ìtàn.
This is not even a story
Àti
again.
mọ̀bí tí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ti wá.
We know the genesis of
Ibi tí
Yoruba
ilẹ̀
land.
Yorùbá bá ti wá.
And wherever it comes from,
Ibẹ̀ lórísun wa.
that is our origin.
Ìyẹn ní Ifẹ̀.
And that is Ife.
Tí ìjà bá ń lọ tá fi ń ba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá jẹ́.
And if people are fighting because of Yoruba land,
Gbogbo àwọn ọba tó ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń bára wọn jà.
and now kings are even fighting with
Kì í
themselves.
ṣe Ọọ̀ni àti Aláàfin kan ló ń jà.
It is not even the Ooni and
Àwọn
Aláàfin
ọba
alone.
mi support Aláàfin.
Some kings are supporting
Àwọn ọba
Aláàfin.
mi support Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀.
Some kings are supporting Ooni of
Eléyà
Ife.
pàtàn tiẹ̀ lọ báyìí.
Some will tell their story.
Eléyà pàtàn tiẹ̀ lọ
Some will tell
báyìí.
a different version of their story.
Mo pe bàbá wa
Please, I'm calling our father,
President Tinubu.
the President Bola Ahmed
Bàbá
Tinubu.
dáadáa ni ẹ o.
You're a good father.
Yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí
Please find a way to settle it
kí
between them
ìjọba ẹ tó tán.
before the end of your tenure.
Yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ni ẹ o.
You're also a Yoruba indigene.
Ó mọ ibi tí Yorùbá ti wá.
And you know the origin.
Pe àwọn ọba méjèèjì.
Call the two kings
Kẹ́ forí korí.
and come
Kẹ́
together
sẹ́tù ẹ̀.
and settle it.
Kọ́ọ̀tún mọ ọ̀tún.
Let them know their
Kó
right
sì mọ òsì.
and let them know their left.
Matthew 15 verse 24.
Matthew chapter 15 verse 24.
Jésù ní pé
Jesus said,
èmi ò wá nítorí yín.
I didn't come
Ó
because
ní
of
mo wá
you.
torí àgùntàn Ísírẹ́lì tó
I
sọnù.
came because of the lordship of Israel.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni gbogbo onígbàgbọ́
All
tó
Christians.
bá sọ pé ò dá sọ̀rọ̀
If you
Yorùbá
say you don't want to talk about Yoruba,
ẹ ṣe mistake
and
o.
you're a Yoruba, you're
Ẹ
making
dá
a
sí.
mistake. Please,
Ẹ̀yin
let your
òjíṣẹ́
voice.
Ọlọ́run ńláńlá ẹ dá sí.
You big men of God that are of Yoruba
Ẹ má
race,
jẹ́ kí iṣẹ́ Sunday Ìgbòho
don't let the work of Sunday
ẹ má yẹ
go.
kó já sásán.
Don't let it be in vain.
Bọ̀bọ́ yẹn ó fi ilé ẹ̀ lẹ̀.
That guy left his
Ó
home,
fọ̀nà ẹ̀
he
lẹ̀.
left his way,
Ó jagun fún Yorùbá.
and he fought for Yoruba
Wọ́n
land.
balẹ̀ ẹ̀ jẹ́.
They destroyed
Wọ́n
his home,
fọ̀nà ẹ̀
they
jẹ́.
destroyed his
Wọ́n
business.
sọ di aláìní. Wọ́n lé kúrò nílùú.
They even banished him from his
Ṣé
town.
ohun tá a fẹ́ fi san fún
Is
nìyẹn?
that how we are going to pay him back?
Ṣé ohun tá a fẹ́ fi san fún
Is that
nìyẹn?
how we are going to pay him back?
Ẹ jẹ́ ká pe àwọn Yorùbá.
Let us call this king
Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún ṣe.
and let us settle whatever
Ẹ
is
jẹ́ ká
between
mọ̀
them.
ọ̀tún ká mọ̀ òsì.
Let them know the left different from their right.
Kí ọba Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́,
The Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́,
igbákejì òrìṣà,
the second in command to the gods,
kó mọ ibi tó ń lọ.
let them know their position.
Kí Ọọ̀ni òrìṣà
The Ooni Orisha,
kó mọ ibi tó ń lọ.
to know where he's going as well.
Ìjà méjì àwọn àgbà méjì máa ba nǹkan jẹ́ ni kò lè tún nǹkan kan
Because
ṣe.
if they are fighting, a lot of things will go bad.
A gbọ́dọ̀ mọ ọ̀gá.
We must know the
A
boss.
gbọ́dọ̀ mọ aṣíwájú.
We must know our leader.
Ọmọ gbọ́dọ̀ mọ ọmọ.
A father
Kí bàbá mọra ẹ̀ ń
must
bàbá.
know himself as a father and a child as a child.
Mo sọ yìí mo dúró.
I've said this, I won't say
Nítorí
more
pé
than that.
tó bá ń
Because
lọ
if
bẹ́ẹ̀.
it keeps going this way,
Tó bá ń lọ
if it
bẹ́ẹ̀.
keeps going this way,
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ni kì í ṣe Ọ̀yọ́ o.
many are not from Oyo
Ondo
State.
State.
Are from Ondo State.
Wọ́n ń ṣe Ọ̀yọ́.
And they are not Oyo.
Ọ̀ṣun State.
Ọ̀ṣun State.
Ogun State.
Ogun State.
Gbogbo ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ni ò kì í ṣe Ọ̀yọ́ o.
Many are not from Oyo.
Ṣé àṣẹ̀túnfẹ́ wa máa ja ìjà yẹn lọ́tọ̀ ni?
Are we going to start separating different
Ẹ jẹ́
fights?
káwọn àgbà kan dìde.
Please let the elders stand up.
Bàbá wa Ọbásanjọ́ kó dìde.
Obasanjo as well should stand. Our
Tinubu
father,
kó bàbá Tinubu kó dìde.
Tinubu, our father as well should stand.
Ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà tẹ́ ti wà ẹ́ dìde.
All the elders, the leaders in the Yoruba kingdom, let
Kó
them
tó
stand.
di ìjà ọmọdé méjì.
Before it becomes the fight of two youngins,
Ẹ dìde o.
please quickly rise.
Olúwa fún yín ṣe.